Guys, just wanted to share my excitement because usually I get reviews from dispatch training students every time. And we do also provide safety and compliance and IFTA training. And this time, I really ask my students to share their experience so you understand that this is an important training and we are really good at that. So let's see. We had Stephanie, and she works for the big corporation, and they are handling more than, I believe, 150 units all over the USA. And she attended our training because she's in charge of IFTA and other safety and compliance. And that's what she said. I recently attended IFTA 101 and it was an incredible experience. The content was well structured and highly relevant, making it easy to understand and apply. Alexandra was very knowledgeable and engaging, creating a positive and interactive learning environment. The training materials were comprehensive and well organized, ensuring that I have resources to refer back to. Overall, I highly recommend Dispatch Training Center and Alexandra to anyone who is looking to enhance their skills and knowledge. It was truly an amazing training experience. Well, thank you, Stephanie. Also, we do have a review from Louisa Rove, who is also working for the big company, and they are handling actually tankers, so they move fuel from in different states. And again, her review was, thank you very much, Alexandra. I will definitely give you 10 plus 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 trainer of the choice. So here you go. Another review, and I guess they took my word seriously because I asked them to help me change trucking through the better, also came from P&J Carriers. Great experience. The training was very useful and educational. Thanks, Alexandra, and keep doing this great things. Actually, P&J Carriers took safety and compliance, took their IFTA, took our dispatch training, personal business consultation. So they are always returning with their new staff. Also, I want to mention my future superstar, Jonathan Lopez from Arizona. He called me a few days before our IFTA class and we had a conversation for 5 minutes. His family have been involved in trucking and they're small family business. He's an electrician, very successful. He is actually a foreman, but he wants to help his family and able to make extra money. One day he wants to open trucking company for himself. And he's very smart because his mom told him, well, before you're gonna jump into this, you need to educate yourself. So I'm very proud of your mom, Mr. Lopez. She's very, very smart woman and very wise. Because trucking industry is not an easy industry. And without knowledge, you're gonna make lots of mistakes. Actually, she's the one who empowered him to sign up for all our trainings, starting with IFTA, safety and compliance, and of course, Pro Dispatch. I just received email from him saying, thank you so much for IFTA class, and I cannot wait to wait you next Saturday for safety and compliance. People like this, who understand the power of knowledge, will always succeed. And by the way, I know 100% he also will join my new mission to educate people on their financial freedom as well. So there you go. Jonathan Lopez, you are my future superstar. And why your reviews matter to us? Well, first, it helps others to find a trustworthy training. Also, it supports our mission to improve trucking for the better, the industry for the better through education. It also motivates me personally to keep going and building the stronger trucking community. We also helping you to become empowered professional in your field. Thank you so much. And we are cheering on you on every mile of the way. If you are still thinking that you need to improve your safety and compliance, if you're looking for the new path, make sure to register for our upcoming safety and compliance training. We are starting on this Saturday, April the 19th. Love you guys, and thanks again.
Let's change the trucking industry, one safe mile at a time. Welcome to our safety and compliance training, where your journey to mastering fleet management begins. Dive deep into essential regulations like DOT, FMCSA, and OSHA, and become fluent in the language of safety and legality. You'll gain expertise in vital areas such as driver qualification files, hours of service, and log audits. Our comprehensive training equips you with tools to apply instantly, ensuring smooth, legal, and profitable operations. Join us in pioneering a safer, more compliant trucking industry. Get started now and drive your career forward. Visit www.learndispatchtoday.com.